Hi, I'm Ethan Michler with Ace Garage Door, and I'm here with Clint Foster, our Vice President of Operations. Today we're going to be going over a few frequently asked questions that people have about their garage doors. One of which is being how long their springs should last. And this is where I'm going to ask Clint. Clint, how long should garage door springs last?
Well, it varies, Ethan. I mean, it also depends on how you use your door, how often you use it. A lot of people use their door as a front door. Some people use it once, twice a week to get the lawnmower out. So that's going to be a big variance in there.
Okay, so what's our range looking like?
Anywhere
Like if
between 10 to 15,000 cycles. And to be honest, a cycle is actually not a door going up and down once. It goes the cycles of the spring. So anytime a door goes up and down, it's usually between 10 to 15 cycles already taken off a spring's life.